Hi everyone, this is Dr. Casares from Premier Chiropractic in Stockton, and today I will be elaborating on that popping noise that is heard when we as chiropractors perform a specific adjustment. Now, what we identify in the spine, neck, mid-back, low back, and even pelvis is we identify that bone that is misaligned and stuck. We use our hands, but I specifically also take x-rays. And what happens within a joint is a buildup of fluid, but also dissolved gases like oxygen, nitrogen, and even carbon dioxide. So when I identify that bone that is misaligned and stuck, and I perform that adjustment, what happens is that forms a bubble that then pops. Almost like when you crack your own knuckles, that sound. A lot of people get freaked out about it, but it's very safe. There is no bones that we are breaking. There is no friction. It's quite the opposite. We are releasing that tension, not only in the joints, but also the muscles and even the nerves and nervous system. And that is why people start to feel better, move better, and function better.